going to stir it now. And you got to stir it until it's consistent. Some glazes will stir up in 25 seconds. Others it might take 2 minutes, 3 minutes of stirring to get all the particles in suspension. Not bad. Then I usually go to the stirring stick. Clean stirring stick for each glaze. Clean cup for each glaze. Now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to dip the bottom of the lid into the horning. And you can see where the wax resisted. Some of the glaze is going to bead on the wax. You see those little dots? You don't want that. Just like when you wax your car. Anybody ever wax their car? No, but when it rains, the water beads on it when it's clean. Okay, so that's what that did there. And now I want to clean my sponge to a certain extent. Oh, got some glaze on the top. Bad. All right, when the glaze dries, I didn't see that. It's just dust. Don't wet these little brushes though, and don't use them on wet glaze. Let the glaze dry, and this will help get it off where you don't want it. See, gone. That's because there's no binder in it. Now, I want to glaze the inside of this blue also. I've got to get a separate cup for the Horning blue. And usually it gets where you don't want it to. A little bit. All right, so the inside's glazed, the bottom of the lid is glazed. Just for kicks, I would like to have the inside of this knob be the same color as the inside of the pot. It's just one of those little pizzazz things. And again, that's one of these things where the average person doesn't give a hoot. I care though. So I've got this. Put just a little glaze in there. And then real quick wipe it off where I don't want it. And let that sit just a minute. All right, I think that's it for